I'm not sure what happened, but I lost video, so I'll have to mend these together. It says I only got 8 minutes left. Okay, so here's a game tile. There's the back side of it. Depends on the mission is what game tiles go. You know, and what I'll do is I'll stop this. I'm gonna upload the one for this box set, and then I'm gonna go and do each box set as another one. So each one actually has a symbol on it right here, somewhere on that game tile. So that has probably something to do with part of the gameplay. We got hallways. And they're actually divided up to, it looks like 1-inch squares. 1-inch squares everywhere. So we'll see how that is. And there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 16 tiles. 16 game tiles. Doesn't seem like a whole lot, but I will have a video on gameplay. So that's the first one. Let's see, rule book, mission book. Let's say rule book. Now there are several levels of gameplay. Let me see. I think there's actually 5 levels of gameplay. Let's see if they actually had a. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm sorry. 4 levels of gameplay difficulty. So this tells you, I guess, what the difference is between them all. Okay, so this is the base one, is bring them on. So, okay, well, notes. Available actions, AP costs, your index. It's not a thick rule book, but it seems decent enough. I mean, it's got good pictures in it. Yeah, it's pretty good pictures, so. Yeah, mission book. It's your first mission. Let's see. 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 tiles. Doorways in between them. Noise tokens. LMC Nazi spawn. Secret passage. Over to here. I don't know what this is, so. Yeah, this is pretty nice rule book. Got good color. I mean, the maps are small, but you can still see them. Yep, pretty good. I like it. Let me see. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I don't know if there's a map that actually has all 16 tiles. But I like it. I'm looking forward to reading the directions and playing. So that's that one.